Your first solid food.
He's
Yeah.
like, oh boy, it's about time. Let's sit him down here. Hey. He's so smart. He knows what to do. Wow. He's ready. Put the bowl under. Oh, he wants it.
Oh, yes.
Put the bowl under his mouth. Yeah. That way it'll catch any drippings.
Okay. It's coming. You like the rice cereal?